Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps and a soap making video requested by so many of y'all at the beginning of this collection. So this soap collection is called I Spy. It is inspired by look and find books and tiny things. And whenever I released the first video in this collection, there were a lot of people that were like, you should make a Where's Waldo soap. And I had already made it. You know, great minds, we be thinking alike. This is gonna be fun. So we're making a Where's Waldo soap. I know a lot of people used to be entertained on long car trips with these Where's Waldo books. They were so much fun. They were highly detailed. My brothers and I poured over these books, okay? Also kind of in the same theme, and I don't know why I put these two things together, but I always, when I think of Where's Waldo, I also think of Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego, which was a little PC game that you could play. I wonder if I could find that PC game like to play on something else. I don't have a PC anymore. I have a Mac. Because I'm a grown-up, but now I'm just starting to think about if I could do that. The other day I thought about Lego Star Wars. I told Caleb I would legitimately play that with you at night over like watching a show because that was so much fun. Anyway, also just for you people out there who did mystery video games, we're way off topic now, but who cares? We're chatting, right? We're just having fun. The mystery Detective Barbie. I've talked about Detective Barbie before on this channel, but my mom came across like the disc not that long ago. And I just have to tell you, the nostalgia was incredible. The Detective Barbie game at the carnival, top tier. Anyway, that was a lot of yakking, but I just missed you guys, and apparently I just needed to say some things. So without further ado, let's make some Where's Waldo soap. So the Where's Waldo soap is a layered soap, and it feels like it's been a while since we've done some layers around here. I am trying to make things as even as possible because I'm sort of trying to make this look like Where's Waldo himself. So we're going to start out with adding our fragrance oil. It's Rocket Pop Ice Cream from Nature's Garden and a little bit of Key West Blue and Shocker Blue. Those are from Mad Micah's. This fragrance to die for. Oh yeah, and we added in a little bit of titanium dioxide too. Look at this color, like, hello summer, how are you? I'm going to have to be using this again in like the summer season of 2023 because that blue combo is just to die for. It looks like the ocean. So I'm going to get this layer as flat as I possibly can. These are supposed to be like Where's Waldo's britches, okay? It's supposed to look like his little pants. Then we're going to do a white stripe. Gonna get that as flat as we can. This fragrance oil performs really well, so it wasn't even that difficult. Tap everything down, and then we're gonna go in with our red. So this is a mix of Trial by Fire and Red 30. The Red 30 just kind of pinkens it up a little bit. Is that a word? I don't think so. But we'll tap this down on the ground as well, make it very flat, and then we'll do another layer of white. So that's supposed to look like his little stripy sweater. We love to see it. In fact, I was just watching a fairy video on Instagram from a fairy at the Arizona Renaissance Festival, and in the background of her video, I saw a guy cosplaying as Where's Waldo, and I was like, oh, I didn't know the perfect cosplay existed, but apparently it does. So now we're using the 𝐒𝑨𝑡𝑖𝑐O 869 tip. It's with the Royalty Soaps soap frosting set. If you want to do soap frosting like me, we're going to put some red, and then some white, and then some red, just like Where's Waldo's hat. And let me tell you, dual colored frosting is a pain in the rear, but it looks so good. Then we have a little red cherry soap gumball, and I'm going to put this off to the side a little bit because Waldo's hat is always slightly off kilter. It looks like he's running away or something, and it's just flopping to the side. So we're putting this on an angle. We'll add a little bit of hollow glitter, and this is what it looks like on top. All right, okay, let us cut this soap, and look how good it looks the next day. Look at this blue. It's so pretty. It perfectly matches. I'm so glad nothing changed colors overnight. Okay, press down very, very, very gently. Ooh. All right. And let's pull out one of the bars. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Look at his little hat with his little pom-pom ball. This smells so incredible. Also, I think I'm cutting just a little early. It's a little bit sticky, so I do have a little bit of smeariness because of the cutter, not because of the layers. You can see this right here, like it just smeared a little of the top down. But I think if I let this sit for another, I don't know, maybe even 24 hours, it wouldn't be doing that. I'm just making a mental note that this is one of the ones that is going to have to sit a minute. And I love this fragrance oil. It's definitely something that would be fun to use for summer, but it's very good all year round. Okay, question of the day. Do you prefer the I Spy books or the Where's Waldo books? I feel like Where's Waldo is harder than the I Spy, so as I got older, I preferred those, but I definitely preferred I Spy when I was younger. I also think the I Spy books are prettier, but again, Where's Waldo is more challenging, so let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You know, we only have one more until the soap release day on March 4th, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, royaltysoaps.com. I'm getting really good at saying that little soap release date as fast as humanly possible. I know a lot of my viewers will never buy soap from me, and that's totally fine. And it feels like I'm like a clanging gong saying that over and over, so I try to make it as short as possible. But if I don't, y'all know how it is. A million people will ask, when can I buy this? Where can I buy this? So this is for them. Don't feel pressured. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you like my interpretation of Where's Waldo. It was really fun. Always doing layered piping in different colors is a pain in the butt, but it is so beautiful. It's so fun to look at. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, whether you need to go to Half Price Books and buy yourself a Where's Waldo book, because let's face it, it's probably better for your brain to do a Where's Waldo book than it is for you to scroll TikTok. I mean, I said it. You know it's true. Go buy the book. Or maybe, if you gotta have the screen time, you need to do it in a wholesome way. Get yourself some Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego, maybe one of the Nancy Drew games, which I still haven't bought. I have got to figure out how to do that, okay? So many people have told me that I need to play those games. The most recent like mystery game I've played was, we actually talked about it because it was an ad, but I've done June's Journey recently, and that has been so much fun, but I think I need to do Nancy Drew. Anyway, you guys, you get it. I have a great day, all right? Do whatever you want. Okay? Enough with my suggestions. Don't let me tell you how to run your life. I will see you guys in the final video on Saturday. I don't know why YouTube tries not to push our videos on release Saturday, but they are historically the worst performing videos of the entire month. And I don't know why. If we release another video on Saturday, it's fine, but it's like if I say release day, the video's cursed. So if we get this video over a certain amount of views that I will disclose on Instagram, I will do a fat giveaway, okay? Because we can't let YouTube be beating us creators out here, okay? We will win. Have a royal day. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.